Good morning, students. So yesterday we are discussing about different form of straight lines. Now there are so many types of different form of straight lines. Now first one is type number 1, that is known as one point form. So what is the formula for one point form? Now remember, equation of straight line passing through the point x1 y1 having a slope m is given by the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1. That equation is known as one point form. Okay. Now today I will continue different types of form of equation of straight line. Now type number 2, that is slope intercept form. Remember, slope intercept form. Now here the question, derive the equation of straight line. Derive an equation of straight line or line in the form y is equal to mx plus c. This equation is known as slope intercept form. Or in other words, the question like this: find the equation of line, find the equation of straight line, find the equation of straight line or line, okay, with the slope m, with the slope m. Find the equation of line with the slope m having intercept c on y-axis. Both are same. Find the equation of line with the slope m having intercept c on which axis? Y-axis. Look here, artha madಕೊಳ್ಳಿ question. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದು y axis ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ಲೆಟ್ x and y axis, this is horizontal line is x axis, vertical line is y axis, this is origin. Find the equation of straight line having intercept c on y axis. Let the line, straight line, the line L which cuts the y axis at the point A, then the distance OA is equal to c, having an intercept c with which axis? Y axis. Now since the line L which cuts the y axis at A, then the OA intercept is c, makes an angle theta with x axis. As you know that a line makes an angle theta with x axis, that is known as slope of straight line. Now here we know that slope of straight line m is equal to tan theta and OA distance is given, that is c, because OA cuts which axis? Y axis. OA cuts y axis, OA length is c, that is given. Okay. Now to find the equation of line. Nodri ee line y axis ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ ಆದಾಗ what is its equation of straight line? Okay, how to solve? Now here OA lies on which axis? Y axis. What is coordinates of A? X coordinate is 0, y coordinate is distance c, right? Because OA lies on which axis? Y axis. So that OA length is c, because OA lies on y axis, x coordinate is c, 0. Therefore A is the point, coordinates of A 0 comma c. Now you call it as a x1 y1. We got 1 point sikta. As you know that previous type number 1, a straight line passes through the point x1 y1 with the slope m is given by the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1. Now here by using one point form, type number 1, one point form, equation of straight line, ST short form means straight line, is given by the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1. Now substituting the value y minus y1 value c, slope m, x minus x1 value is 0, right? Simplify. Y minus c is equal to x minus 0, x, m into x, right? Therefore, rearrange y is equal to mx minus c goes to right side plus c. So, y is equal to mx plus c. This equation is known as slope intercept form. ನೆನಪಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. What is slope intercept form of line? Y is equal to mx plus c. I will repeat once again. A straight line cuts the y-axis at A, then the distance OA is equal to c, okay, and makes an angle theta with x-axis. You know that m is equal to tan theta, that is slope of line, and given OA is equal to c, that is given. Okay, this is given. Now, OA lies on which axis? Y-axis. What is coordinates of point A? X coordinate is 0, y coordinate is distance c, 0 comma c, denoted by x1 y1. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು? ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಆಸ್ ಯು ನೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ by using one point formula, equation of straight line passing through the point x1 y1 having slope m is given by the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1. Substituting the value of x1 and y1, x1 is 0, y1 is c, that is y minus y1 is c is equal to m of x minus x1 value is 0. So, y minus c is equal to m into x. Rearrange, therefore, y is equal to mx minus c goes to right side plus c. This equation is known as what? ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? Slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. Remember, okay? This equation is known as slope intercept form. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅದು y axis ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರಿಂದ its length is c, its equation is y is equal to mx plus c. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ note that suppose a line ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಒರಿಜನ್, ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಒರಿಜನ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಒರಿಜನ್, ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಒರಿಜನ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಪಾಸ್ ಆದಾಗ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್, ವೈ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಒರಿಜನ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸಪೋಸ್ ಎ ಲೈನ್ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಒರಿಜನ್, ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಒರಿಜನ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್? ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್, ಇದರ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? y ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ y ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ಇದರ ಲೆಂತ್ ಸಿ ಸಿಕ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಈಗ ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಒರಿಜನ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನೋ ಲೆಂತ್. ಸೊ y ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? y ಎಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಂತ್ ಸಿಕ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಪಾಸ್ ಆದಾಗ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈನ್ ಈಸ್ y ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು mx. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ಎ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಒರಿಜನ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ equation is y is equal to mx. This is note number 1. Note number 2, second note, suppose the line, say L, with slope m makes x intercept D. Then what is its equation? ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈಗಲೇ y ಎಕ್ಸಲ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲ್ ಕಟ್ ಆದಾಗ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಎ ಲೈನ್ ಕಟ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್, ಕಟ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್, ದೆನ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿ. ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್? ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈನ್ ಈಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, y ಎಕ್ಸಲ್ ಕಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ 0, c. Whereas if the line cuts the x-axis, coordinates of A, D, 0. Again, y coordinate is 0. Then OA, that is x-axis distance is D instead of C by taking D. So its equation of line is, what is the formula? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, that is y minus y1 value is 0, y coordinate is 0, m into x minus x coordinate is d, right? Then simplify, y is equal to m into x or m into bracket x minus d. So this is known as slope intercept form with x intercept. Suppose the line L with the slope m makes x intercept say d, then its equation of line is y is equal to m of x minus d. Y intercept adaga y is equal to mx plus c, x intercept y is equal to mx minus md or m into bracket x minus d. Okay, so remember this is known as slope intercept form. Idike enantara slope intercept form. Okay, now based on this, now for example, now the problem like this, one more question, first problem. Now the question like this, write the equation of line, write the equation of line, write the equation of line for which tan theta is equal to 1 by 2, right, where theta is inclination and makes an angle, inclination of the line and first one y intercept is minus 3 by 2, second one x intercept is 4. Very simple question. Find the equation of line such that tan theta is equal to 1 by 2, that is m value is given, where theta is an angle and y intercept is minus 3 by 2, x intercept is 4. Now here first one, given data, tan theta is equal to 1 by 2, tan theta is equal to 1 by 2. You know that slope of line m is equal to tan theta means m value is given 1 by 2. Then first one, y intercept is minus 3 by 2, y intercept length is c value given, c is equal to minus 3 by 2, we got m and c, you know the formula. Therefore equation of straight line with intercept c on y axis is given by the formula y is equal to mx plus c, that is y is equal to m value 1 by 2 into x, c value minus 3 by 2, simplify, y is equal to, take the LCM is 2, 1x minus 3, cross multiply, 2y is equal to x minus 3 or x minus 3 is equal to 2y, or rearrange, take equal on right side, x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is equation of line with intercept minus 3 by 2 on y axis. Okay, whereas second one ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, find the equation of line with the slope 1 by 2, x intercept is 4, you know the formula, x intercept is d, is given by the formula y is equal to m into bracket x minus d, right? Now here second one, given tan theta is equal to 1 by 2, tan theta is nothing but m is equal to tan theta, that is m is equal to 1 by 2, and x intercept denoted by d is equal to 4. Therefore you know the formula, equation of line with x intercept is given by the formula y is equal to m into bracket x minus d, y is equal to m value 1 by 2, x minus d value 4, right? This implies cross multiply 2y is equal to x minus 4 or x minus 4 is equal to 2y. Rearrange x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, this is x intercept, first one is y intercept. So x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so another example. Now the question like this. Now second problem, find the equation of line intersecting y-axis at a distance of 2 units above the horizon and making an angle of 30 degree with positive direction of x-axis. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಏನಿಗಿದೆ. Find the equation of line intersecting y-axis at a distance of 2 units. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, this is x-axis, that is y-axis. Find this is horizon. Find the equation of line intersecting y-axis at a distance of 2 units from the horizon. This is horizon. From the horizon, this is line which cuts the y-axis at A. Then the distance OA is, that is given 2. Making an angle 30 degree with x-axis, with positive direction of x-axis. Okay, with positive direction of x-axis. So now here, or simply with x-axis, with x-axis. Okay, now here given theta is equal to 30 degree, that is first quadrant. Okay, then C value is given, that is 2. Now you know that to find m, you know the formula, m is equal to tan theta, that is m is equal to tan theta value 30 degree, tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. We got m and c. Therefore equation of line slope intercept formula, y is equal to mx plus c, that is y is equal to m value 1 by root 3 into x, c value is 2. Rearrange, this implies y is equal to, take the LCM, LCM is root 3 ones are 1 into root 3s are, right? So 1x plus 2 root 3. Cross multiply, root 3y is equal to x plus 2 root 3 or x plus 2 root 3 is equal to 3y, or rearrange x minus 3y, take equal on right side, plus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. This represent equation of line whose intercept 2 on y-axis. Okay, so similarly, so now here one more problem, that is problem number 3. Now third problem, reduce the following equations. Reduce the following equations into slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. And find their slope and y-intercept. Find their slope and y-intercept. First one, x plus 7y is equal to 0. Second one, 6x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. Third one, y is equal to 0. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ reduce the following equations into slope intercept form. ಇವನ್ನ slope intercept form ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. What is the formula for slope intercept? y is equal to mx plus c. ಇವನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, y is equal to mx plus c ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ and write the slope and c value. Now here first one, given data x plus 7y is equal to 0. So to convert given equation in the form slope intercept form, andre y is equal to mx plus c. How to convert? This implies 7y is equal to, take x on the right side, minus x. Now here the standard equation of slope intercept form of line is y is equal to mx plus c. Coefficient of y always 1. So here 7. So that divide by 7, y is equal to minus x by 7. Or we can write y is equal to minus 1 by 7x plus 0. Minus 1 by 7x is nothing but x by 7 plus 0. If 0 add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it will become same result. Now clearly it is in the form. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಇದು, y is equal to mx plus c. Correct? Here m means what? Slope. Slope m is equal to minus 1 by 7 and y-intercept c value is 0. Right? This is slope intercept form. ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ equation ಅನ್ನ slope intercept form ಗೆ convert ಮಾಡಿ. Okay. Whereas second one, 6x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. Now to convert given data in the form of slope intercept form, like y is equal to mx plus c. This implies 3y is equal to 6x goes to right side minus 6x minus 5 goes to right side plus 5. Now here in standard form coefficient of y is 1 but here 3. So what can you do? Divide by 3. ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲಿ 3 ದಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. y is equal to minus 6x by 3 plus 5 by 3 implies y is equal to 3 1s are 3 2s are. We can write minus 2 into x plus 5 by 3. Right? Clearly it is in the form. It is in the form y is equal to m into x plus c. Here m means what? Slope. Here slope m is equal to minus 2 and c value is 5 by 3. Clear? Whereas third one, y is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to 0 can be written as, we can write 0 into x plus 0. ಬರಿಬೋದಲ್ಲ? Because to convert given data in the form of slope intercept form, so 0 can be written as 0 into x. 0 into x is nothing but 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0 become 0. Clearly it is in the form. It is in the form y is equal to mx plus c. Here m means what? Slope. Here slope m is equal to 0 and c value is also 0. Clear? Okay. So next type number 3, that is slope of line joining 2 points. Nodri, a line mele 2 point kottaga. What is its slope? Not equation. What is its slope? Look here. Now here the question, find the slope of line joining 2 points. Joining 2 points, say x1 y1 in general and x2 y2. Find the slope of line joining 2 points. Nodri, a line mele 2 points iddaga. Look here. Let x and y axis. X axis horizontal line, vertical line, y axis, this is horizon. If a line, okay, now find the slope of line joining 2 points. Let A and B be 2 points. A and B be 2 points. Join AB, that is line AB. A is the point x1 y1, B be a point x2 y2. Okay. So find the slope of line joining 2 points. Right? What is slope AB? E line AB slope enide calculate maadi. Okay? Now how to solve? Construct. From these 2 points, draw AL and BM perpendicular to x axis. Join AB, then produce it. Since the line cuts the x axis, makes an angle theta with x axis. Correct? Now here x axis, this is A point, that is B point. A is a point x1 y1, B be a point x2 y2. If a line makes an angle theta with x axis, then you know that slope of line m is equal to tan theta. Correct? Now the question to find the slope AB. AB slope enide find out madri. Construct. Now from these 2 points, draw AL. Draw AL and BM are perpendicular to which axis? X axis. Again from the point A, draw AN perpendicular to BM. Now here draw AL and BM perpendicular to which axis? X axis, and draw AN perpendicular to BM. Okay. Now this angle is theta. What about that angle? That is also theta, because these 2 angles are what? Alternative angles. Okay. Alternative or corresponding angles. Anurupa konagalu. Okay. Now OL lies on which axis? Nodri, observe madri. OL lies on which axis? X axis. OL distance at the point A, x1. OM lies on again which axis? X axis. OM distance at the point B, x2. Take vertical line. AL lies on which axis? Vertical line, y axis. AL length is y1. BM lies on which axis? Y axis. BM length is y2. Right? Now from the triangle from the triangle BAN, angle N 90 degree, angle A theta. Tan theta is equal to, definition of tan theta, opposite side divided by adjacent side, correct? What is opposite side in this triangle? BN. Adjacent side is AN, right? This implies, but tan theta is equal to what? Slope M is equal to, BN can be written as, we can write BM minus NM. Baribodala, BN length na BM minus NM. BM minus NM divided by AN is same as LM. AN is same as LM, implies M is equal to BM minus NM is same as AL divided by LM length. LM length can be written as, we can write OM minus OL. Baribodala, OM dalli OL less madidare LM agutta, OM minus OL. So M is equal to BM length Y2 minus AL length Y1 divided by OM length is X2, then OL length is X1. M means what? Slope. Therefore, slope of line AB is equal to Y2 minus Y1 divided by X2 minus X1. This is slope of line joining 2 points. Nodri, 2 points kottaga, what is its slope? Remember, Y2 minus Y1 divided by X2 minus X1. Remember that formula. Now using this, now here simple problem. Now problem number 1. Now the question, find the slope of line joining the points. First one, minus 3 comma minus 2 and minus 1 comma 4. Second one, 3 comma minus 2 and 7 comma minus 2. Very simple. One more question they may be asked in final exam. Find the slope of line joining 2 points. First point 3 minus 2, second point minus 1 4. Very simple, you know the formula. Now here first one, given data, A is the point 3 comma minus 2, B be a point minus 1 comma 4. Call it as x1 y1 and here x2 y2. Two points are given. Now the question slope. Therefore, slope of line AB is, formula, M is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Substituting the value, M is equal to y2 value 4 minus y1 value is minus 2 divided by x2 value is minus 1 minus x1 value is 3. Simplify, 4 minus into minus plus 2 minus 1 minus 3, 4 plus 2 6 divided by minus 1 minus 3 minus 4, 2 2s are 2 3s are, answer minus 3 by 2. Slope of line joining 2 points, its answer is minus 3 by 2. Similarly, second one, A is a point 3 comma minus 2, B be a point 7 comma minus 2, x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Then slope of line AB is, M is equal to, formula, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. That is, M is equal to, y2 is minus 2 minus y1 is minus 2, right, divided by x2 value 7 minus x1 is 3, minus 2 minus into minus plus 2, 7 minus 3, 4, minus 2 plus 2, 0 divided by 4, that is 0. So slope of line joining 2 points, second one is 0. Adabantala idu. Okay. Similarly, one more problem. Now here so one more problem, that is problem number 2. Find the slope of a line which passes through the origin, and the midpoint of the line segment, joining the point, say P is a point 0 comma minus 4 and B be a point 8 comma 0. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಲೈನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಪಾಸಿಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಒರಿಜನ್. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ರಫ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೈ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್, O is the origin means 0 comma 0. Okay. Find the slope of a line which passes through the origin and midpoint of the line segment joining 2 points. Now this is a line, this is P point, that is 0 comma minus 4, B point ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 8 comma 0. Okay. Now ಈ ಲೈನ್ ದಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದು ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. Midpoint of the line segment, PB is the line segment. Now here M is the midpoint. M is the midpoint of PB. Now here from the figure, M is the midpoint of PB, where P be a point 0 comma minus 4, B be a point 8 comma 0, call it as x1 y1 and here x2 y2. Therefore, by midpoint formula, what is the formula? You know, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Correct? Substituting the value. What is x1? 0. x2 8 by 2. y1 minus 4, y2 0 by 2. So 0 plus 8 by 2 is 8 by 2, here minus 4 by 2, that is 8 by 2 is nothing but 4, minus 4 by 2 is nothing but minus 2. So we got coordinate of M midpoint in bantu 4 comma minus 2. Now the question, find the slope of a line which passes through the origin. So this is a line which passes through the origin and the midpoint of the line segment PB. Now to find the slope OM slope enide find out ಮಾಡಿ. Okay. Now here O is the origin, right? Now O is the origin 0 0, M be a point ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ 4 comma minus 2 denoted by x1 y1 x2 y2. We got 2 points. Therefore slope of line passing through the origin to the midpoint, slope of line denoted by OM is equal to, you know the formula, what is that? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, right? So that is OM is equal to y2 value minus 2 minus y1 is 0, x2 value 4 minus x1 is 0. So OM is equal to minus 2 divided by 4, that is 2 ones are 2 twos are minus 1 by 2. Okay. So these are the problems based on type number 3, slope of line joining 2 points. Okay. Now we will discuss remaining types in next class. Okay students, thank you.